welcome to Closing Trades, right here in 18 hours with me, Aisha Faridi and Anisha Jain as well. Joining in on the show, we are maintaining that 19,100 print largely, or rather for the better part of today's trading session. Yes, we started off flat, dipped into the red about 0.5%, and then from there we've been pretty okay. As we speak, we are making a dash towards the green. 19,100 is where we're currently at. Reliance actually is the single-handed stock which is providing that. Our chartists and our fundamental experts and figure out where the market is headed next. We've got Manoj Murlidharan joining in right now on the show. And we've also got Naresh Mirani as always. Hi both of you. Good to have you on the show. Naresh, let me come to you first. A smart rebound, aligning ourselves with the rest of the globe and especially coming in from those oversold levels last week. Does it look sustainable?
So, as of now, we are finding supports around this 8.
And of course, Petronet LNG is seeing that reaction of the capex announcement of around 20,000 crores. So the stock has taken it on the and post its earnings. But what's the chart check telling you?
Yeah, thank you. So ideally, we would not really, we would refrain from the price movement that you're seeing, especially on stocks like a Vodafone Idea. See, the concept here that we understand, at least on the index, is the FI desks were a good 90% odd short on the index, and every time they have done that, the put option pricing does not really fetch them good money. So if you see the volatility index also for the market was at 12.5%, which is almost down on to 10.8. So it is the put selling which is giving you more money than the call buying. So the index clearly says that we might be into a consolidation with a 150 more points on the upside, somewhere close to 19,300 to 400. So the major large caps or stocks which would be benefiting would be from them. We would not really volunteer or advocate buying a Vodafone Idea at this point of time. Couple of stocks like a Cipla and GNFC where we are seeing good long build-up, that is where we would recommend buying that. If it is for Cipla, even the stock has a potential of almost 1240 with a stop loss of around 1180 on that. And GNFC also is a good stock where we have seen a good rollover which happened from October to the new series of November. So at least a 4% move is what we are expecting on the stock as well.
The other sector, what we've discussed, of course, the major contributor, Reliance, but oil and gas at large has been a strong show today. So BPCL, for instance, is scaling.
That's the other one from the oil and gas space that's looking quite strong. But real estate, that's also building onto gains. Of course, Chris Wood was talking about how there could be a repeat of 2002 to 2009 cycle that we have seen. And we might be in the second or third year as far as that rally is concerned. Manoj, what's your take on the real estate stocks? And if you like any name from there, DLF or Godrej Properties?
Yeah. So the concept that we understand here is, niche sectors like a metal or a real estate, they have a market-wide positioning in the entire derivative segment, which is usually there. So we compare a month-on-month positioning, and at least stock specific, we believe that Oberoi Realty would top the pack, and there is a potential for at least a good 4 to 6% move. The stock has seen good delivery-based buying as well, and the rollovers have been prudent and better into the November series. So at least 1150 to 1160 as a target with a stop loss close to 1100. Even now, I guess stock is around 1150. It can be bought at this level also with a stop loss of 1100. A good 1160 to 68 should be the short-term stock.
So those are some of the real estate bets coming in, but time now to slip it